The V168 Pro Max GPS drone is marketed as a high-performance aerial photography and videography platform. Promoted features center around its 8K camera, GPS capabilities, and extended flight time. The 8K camera resolution is a key selling point, suggesting the ability to capture incredibly detailed images and videos. However, it's crucial to examine specifications closely, as advertised resolutions can sometimes be interpolated rather than true optical resolution. Regardless, the drone aims to provide high-quality aerial footage for enthusiasts and semi-professional users. GPS functionality is a standard feature for modern drones, enabling features like precise positioning, automatic return to home in case of signal loss or low battery, and waypoint flight planning. This allows for safer and more automated flights, particularly beneficial for beginners. The Pro Max designation often implies an upgraded version with enhanced features, such as increased flight time. The mention of a specific flight time, like those around 350, likely refers to the battery's capacity, and the actual flight time may vary depending on factors such as wind conditions, flight mode, and camera usage. Other potential features of the V168 Pro Max might include Follow Me mode, where the drone automatically tracks and follows the user. Optical flow positioning, for stable hovering indoors or in areas with weak GPS signals. Various flight modes, such as circle flight, waypoint flying, and gesture control. Real-time image transmission, allowing users to view the camera's feed on their smartphone. Obstacle avoidance. Some drones in this class have limited obstacle avoidance, but this should be checked. When considering a drone like the V168 Pro Max, it's essential to research reviews, compare specifications with other models, and understand the limitations of advertised features. User reviews are extremely helpful in providing real-world information. Best by link description box. Thanks for watching. Like, comments, and subscribe.